nothing, just pretty much straight up.
So nose to the line, green line goes, and you hammer it to the bottom, and that's it.
And normally you 2 minutes time while the cars that make the final turn around and come back out again, because if you think about it, 2 minutes green and then with the final, they come back out straight away.
Yeah, that is the time to fill, yeah.
Exactly right. So they go for a while, and then we bring up the front cars. That's fun.
There's a lot of work that goes on behind the scenes. The crew chief and everyone down there, they work their tails off to get the car ready for their pilots to strap themselves back in and get out there and go hard. All right, we're moving on now, and this will be Darren Saliba in the red concrete 68 Camaro, and he's coming up against Mike Lowen in the sprint auto pass lane, and he's in the big J Commodore with the 454 big block, and Skyline time for him is a 9.25, and respectively for Saliba it is an 8.57. Michael Aikens.
Absolutely, guys, here the last pairing in Civil Sedan, or maybe a few more out there, I'm not sure. Yep, there is, and this will be the semis coming up, I should imagine. Straight after this, we have the Grunties. Grunts coming up straight after Sunset Eliminator. After the Grunts, finals of all the Eliminators coming our way.
Okay, here we go. Darren Saliba dialing 8.57 on Morgan Camaro. Mike Lowen at 9.25.
Saliba's quick, coming through the race. Absolutely. Darren Saliba again goes through for another win. 8.59 on an 8.57 dialing. Mike Lowen, he went 9.47 on a 9.25 dialing. If that wasn't good enough. But man, the Saliba wheels are on fire tonight, doing exceptionally well.
Wild Torana, he's up against Danny Michella, the 5-star cabinet entry little Fiat. What a pairing this is going to be. 1 second head start if you go to Fiat. He's going to have to put the pedal in the middle and look straight on the line. Harry is there for 1 second. Quite a lot. You both have to chase down. Racer.
Absolutely, my man, Larry Missionary. Didn't have that in that arm of burnout. Must be just wife saying no to him or something. I don't know what it is. But man, big rounds coming out the guy. He just takes it out of the race car and gives it plenty. He picked it up, Paris. Dave Missionary, 8.23 for the dial-in. Danny, as he said, at 9.31. This will be an interesting pairing coming up. Let's check it out.
Okay, here we go. Both cars up into the staging area. Dave Missionary probably pre-late. You can't see his light from here. Looking at Danny though, neither of these cars are in full stage. This is the semi-finals. They'll both get told to move in. And if they don't again, they'll be spotted.
And he did 9.34 on a 931 dialing. Good run, Danny Michella. 411, 934. Larry Missionary, 825 on an 823. That was damn good. 465 on the reaction time, but Daniel was just better. What do I do in the drag race? Well done.
As you say,